Miss Biscuit Goes to the Beach by James Millett. Are you ready for holidays? Miss Lee asked as she packed a bag. Biscuit was very ready and very excited. The sun was shining when they got to the beach. "Oh, what lovely weather," said Miss Lee. "Do you feel like a swim, Biscuit?" Miss Biscuit ran into the water, following a wave. Splash! She came running out again as another wave came in. "Swimming always makes me tired," Biscuit said. She settled down next to Miss Lee and had a nap in the shade. Biscuit heard something that made her wake up and look up. "Children!" Biscuit said. She ran along the sand to see them. "Hello, my name is Biscuit." The children knew how to play Biscuit's favourite game. "Again, again!" they cried when she brought back the ball. One little girl wasn't playing with the others. She sat in the sand looking sad. "What's wrong?" Biscuit said. "I lost my watch," said the girl. "It's somewhere on the beach, but I don't know where." Biscuit put her nose to the ground. She walked around and around and away, and the children followed. Biscuit sniffed and sniffed. She stopped and turned a circle, sniffing, and she started to dig. "Is this it?" Biscuit said. "You found it," said the girl, who wasn't sad anymore. "Well done, Biscuit," said Miss Lee. "You've certainly earned a holiday now." The end. Miss Biscuit Takes a Bath by James Millett. "Now you're all clean," Miss Lee said. She rinsed the suds from Biscuit's coat. Biscuit was clean, but still wet. "Go sit in the sun to dry off," Miss Lee said, "and then I'll put your bow on." "But I'll dry faster if I go for a walk," Biscuit thought. Biscuit found a nice dusty patch. She rolled and rolled in the dust. "Nice and dry," she said. Biscuit spotted her friends, Ginny and Max, walking past. "Hi, Biscuit," Ginny said. "Do you want to play chase?" Chase was Biscuit's favourite game. The dogs chased one another up and down and round through the grass. After they played, they were tired, so they stopped for a drink and lay down to cool off. "Thanks for playing chase," Biscuit said, "but I need to get home. Miss Lee wants to put my bow on." "Goodbye, Biscuit," said Ginny and Max. Biscuit wriggled back into the yard. "Miss Lee," she said, "I'm nice and dry now." "Oh, Miss Biscuit," Miss Lee sighed. "Time for another bath already." The end. Miss Biscuit by James Millett. As Miss Lee sneezed, "Achoo!" and snuffled, she realised that she was much too sick to teach her class today. What will the children do? She worried. Don't worry, Miss Lee, Biscuit said. I can teach your class. Good morning, children, Biscuit said. I am Miss Biscuit. First, Miss Biscuit asked the children to stretch and shake to get ready for the day. Lesson number 1, said Miss Biscuit. Playtime is very important. But we can't play all day, Miss Biscuit said. Time to learn some new tricks. Miss Biscuit taught the children how to sit. Then she taught them how to drop. Then she taught them how to roll over. Then it was time for a drink and a snack, and a short nap in the sunshine. There was just enough time left in the afternoon for a good dig. As Miss Biscuit said goodbye to the students, she yawned and yawned. It had been a very tiring day. When Miss Biscuit got home, Miss Lee felt much better. Thank you for looking after the class, Biscuit. I don't know how you do it every day, she said to Miss Lee. The end. Peep the Penguin by Amy Parry. Hello, my name is Peep. I live with my mum and dad, Pop and Posy. When mum and dad go to catch fish, I like to play. I swirl, I stomp, and I slide. Watch out! Crash! Hello, I'm Peep. I'm angry you slid into me. Sorry. What's your name? Prudence. Let's play, Prudence. I like to swirl. I like to sit. Oh. I like to stomp. I like to stare. Oh. I like to slide. I like to sing. Uh-oh. We can't play together. Wait! Yes, we can! You can sit and swirl, and I can swirl and sit. I can stomp and stare, and you can stare and stomp. We can sing and slide and sing. We can play lots of things together. My new friend Prudence and I play every day. We discover lots of new things to play. even if we don't like them straight away. The end.